All right, in other news, on the line of control in the northern part of the Kashmir Valley, the brave female soldiers of the Border Security Force, or the BSF, are not only enduring the harsh weather conditions, but they're also confronting the terrorists in the region. These highly specialized female soldiers are carrying out patrolling on the border along with anti-terror operations. Our special correspondent Idris Lone bringing you this next report. In a monumental achievement for the Indian Armed Forces, the Border Security Forces deployed female soldiers to guard the line of control in the northern part of the Kashmir Valley in 2024. This historic move marked BSF as the first armed force to post specially trained female soldiers at the LOC, a feat that fills us with pride. These female soldiers are now engaged in combat operations in the region, a testament to their dedication and courage. These female soldiers carry out tasks such as combat patrol, night patrol, and controlling the movement of terrorist cadres along the border areas.
कुछ समय पहले तक यहाँ पर सिर्फ हमारे जो मेल कार्मिक थे वही तैनात किए जाते थे। पहली बार यहाँ पे कुछ टाइम से महिलाओं को तैनात किया गया है। ऐसे टफेस्ट और सेंसिटिव कंडीशन में ड्यूटी करना निहायत ही गर्व की बात है और मुझे और मेरी पूरी टीम को यहाँ पे ड्यूटी करने में बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है।
These female BSF soldiers posted on the line of control not only patrol the LOC and international border, but also go to the ambush site as well as if there is an infiltration bid near the line of control. As you can see right now, they have information that there is a possibility, there is a suspicious movement that has been seen close to the line of control.
In recent times, security forces have arrested dozens of women carrying arms, ammunition and narcotics from the bordering areas into the hinterland. And to curb this, the deployment of female soldiers has proven to be a great help. The unique role in frisking and checking women has made the task easier, a task that was challenging for male forces along the bordering areas.
लड़कियां हैं वो भी बीएसएफ में आ सकती है और यहाँ पे अपनी सेवाएं देके गौरवान्वित महसूस कर सकती है सीमा सुरक्षा बल में शामिल होकर।
1 साल की ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है। उसके बाद यहाँ एलओसी पे तैनात होने के लिए भी हमें 4 हफ्ते की ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है ताकि यहाँ ऑक्सीजन की कमी है उसको कंट्रोल कर सके और देशवासियों को अच्छी सुरक्षा महसूस दे सके और हम यहाँ जब तक ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं तब तक हमारे देशवासियों को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने देंगे।
For these female soldiers, it's a moment of immense pride. They have paved the way for other female soldiers to serve in any part of the country.